Hi. I will show you today how to remove information from NumLookup.com. But what is NumLookup.com? Well, it is a reverse phone lookup service that disseminates data about phone numbers online. You must fill out an opt-out form on NumLookup.com's website and attach identification to remove your information from the website. Within 45 days, your request ought to be processed. Have you ever been curious about how can I remove my information from the site? Here's how to do out tasks by hand. First, visit their page to opt out. Step 2, after entering your phone number and completing the CAPTCHA, click Remove My Info, then click the Manually Submit Removal Request button. To have your information removed from the database, complete the form that appears. Fill out the form with the required information such as your email address, street, city and the rest. You can also upload a copy of any ID document. You can use your phone to take a picture, upload it, complete the CAPTCHA, and then click Submit. Thank you for watching.